Hey everyone, Coach Brenda Kelly here, back again with another episode for you. So today we're going to talk about getting organized to improve your health. And I know you're probably saying, okay, how do you get organized and how do you improve your health? So one of the things that I focus on is planning out time. If you don't have a plan, you will not succeed. So it's all about planning out your goals, the things that you have to get done, the things that you have to do to ensure that you are living well. So I'm going to give you just a few things in order to move forward. Number one is to create lists. Create lists. And I know you're probably saying, okay, what kind of list? There are so many different lists that you can create that will help you to really get things going, get things moving in your health. Number one is a meal plan. With the meal plan, we need a shopping list, a list of what you're going to get when you go into the grocery store. Another thing that you need is a workout list. Have a list of when you're going to schedule your workouts so that it's planned, you're ready, and you are focused on that goal. Another thing with the meal plan is budgeting. Budgeting out how much money you're going to spend on food, on fitness equipment, on anything that you need to help with your health, budgeting it out, and also budgeting your money so that you are not just spending haphazardly with your money. So budgeting is another list that you would create. And another list that I create is a cleaning list. I create a list of what I'm going to do from week to week, what I'm going to work on Saturday, and a clean house makes a difference with how you feel, your environment, having everything in place, putting things back when you use them. So making a list of what you need to do as far as cleaning your home. Another thing to do is to designate days to complete each of these lists. Designate a day for everything that you do. Don't just get up in the morning and say, okay, what am I going to do today? But designate a time to complete each of these goals. How am I going to get this done? How am I going to get this cleaning list done and my shopping, the meal plan? I start my meal plan list at the beginning of the week so that I will have it ready for Friday. My goal is to get it done by Thursday with my shopping list so I am ready Friday to do my shopping. So definitely designating days to complete each task. Another thing to do is to block off time for your task. Block off time. Don't just say, well, I'm going to do my meal plan sometime this week. Block it off. Exactly what time will I have this completed? Make space, create space for what you want to get done. Then praying over your list. Pray over your list. Ask God to come in and be a part of what you're doing. Pray over your list. Seek Him about what your plans are. The next thing is being consistent on completing your task. Being consistent, making it a priority in your life that you complete it. If you know that you're working on your budget, be consistent with that. Saving your money, putting your money away, having your money designated for certain things. I have a budgeting folder that I use, that I write out my list of what I have to save or what I need to pay. And then I have a little budgeting purse. And for each item, I have food, I have gas, I have makeup, which is considered my hair money. I have one for clothing. I have one for Christmas. And then I have one for personal savings. I have one for emergencies. And I have a dining out. So these are the categories. You can choose your own. Got this off of Amazon. It's a nice little folder. It comes with stickers and it comes with everything you need to get started. In the front of it, there's a little budget sheet that you can fill out and use that as well. But it's really nice and convenient. So, you know, just being prepared. Every time I get paid, I go straight to this and I pull out money for each item that I want to put in here, so that when it's time to go for my groceries, I have my money for food right in here. It's right here. So I pull out however much I need for food. So you decide what you allot it to. Next, set aside time to rest. Set aside time to rest. In everything that you do, always set aside time to get your rest. That's priority before anything that you do. Set aside that time to get your rest. So these are just a few things in getting organized to improve your health. When you are planning out your time and prioritizing how you're going to get things done, accomplish your goals, when you create lists that will help you in different areas of your life, in your health, on your budgeting, on shopping, your workouts, when you're creating lists for everything, and then you designate a day, you block off time to complete the task. You pray over the whole process. You pray and ask God to lead you and guide you. And then be consistent in completing those tasks. Make it a daily thing that you're working on something that is going to keep you focused and your mindset. Keep your mindset well. And then last, setting aside that time to really get your rest and be at ease and not be so anxious because of my budget or because of, not having time to do this and time is getting away from you. But really organize your time so that you can live well, so that you will have less stress. Get yourself organized. When you are in order, you can get a lot more done. You feel better, you're happier when things are in order. All right, have an amazing day. Take care.